Hi everyone, today we are going to do 3 easy science experiments you can do at home. So the first science experiment we're going to do is baking soda and vinegar. So right here we have some vinegar. Now we're going to use the funnel and put some baking soda inside. Now let's do this. So we do it like this, so. And let's get started. So we put some in. And then it makes a reaction. Then it should explode, just like that. Whoa! Look at it, that exploding. And then I'll just continue filming. See how it explodes? Now, let's do the next science experiment. So, what we have here is some water, and we're going to put some, and then we'll need items around the house. And I'm going to use Lego, and we'll see if it sinks or floats. Now, the Lego floats, the scissors sinks, and the cat toy floats. So, 2 of them float, and 1 of them don't. On to our next science experiment. So what we need over here is some carbonated water and some grapes. First, what we do is pour in the carbonated water. Then we put the grapes in, and look at it. Look at it. Oh. Look at that. But remember, so you cannot wash the grapes. And that's our 3 science experiments. I hope you enjoyed my show. And please subscribe to be in one of our videos and for more videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell and hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Bye.